welcome to Hertfordshire Chamber of Commerce's AI conference.
So we thought it would be a fantastic opportunity to host an AI conference to come and learn more around AI in whatever sector you're in.
Is AI a revolution or is it all hype?
We see AI as a real opportunity to accelerate economies, to really invest in the community and uplift the wider community for long-term benefit.
I think the thing that most excites me about AI is that it really unlocks the art of the possible.
It's the saving of time that's possible for some of the tasks.
Some of these jobs that automation and AI are able to do now enable us as humans to focus on maybe some of the things that we enjoy a little bit more.
Google's mission is to organize the world's information.
The key message from our side is that AI is very important, but also we look into the embodied side of AI, namely robotics, and how we can make people's lives better.
I'm going to talk about the exciting future AI has in drug discovery.
It's really been marvellous to be here today so far, to talk to many companies and see many innovations and how AI is being implemented into business processes.
AI is not the superhero, it's the tool.
So you need to understand how the business works, understand how business and work flows around your business, and then use AI as the tool and automation as the tool to help make that better.
Well, I think the fact that there are so many people here from so many different businesses probably shows that people are interested, concerned, willing to learn, eager to learn, and we have such a huge diversity of business.
I've got a lot out of this. I've got lots of tips like that I need to do an AI policy, to how AI could actually help us in the workplace and how it could help the team just to be much quicker at doing things and hopefully be better at what we do.
I'm going to take away implementing some AI processes to the team and looking at all of our current processes that we have and seeing how we can automate processes moving forward and discussing with the team some of their challenges and how AI could improve those.
It's an exciting time in AI, but it's a long history, and a long history that I think will continue for quite some time.